So one of my most significant achievements would be founding and growing the Palan Foundation. So 4 years ago, I founded this non-profit organization in New Delhi, and today we have impacted over 4,000 people in various social impact areas, including humanitarian aid, education, menstrual hygiene, and also inclusion. Hi, I'm Devanshi Soni. I'm from New Delhi, and I recently graduated with a BSc Honours in Business Management from SIM UOL. I actually started my university during the COVID-19 pandemic. I remember waking up at 6 a.m. To attend the 8:30 classes because of the time zone differences. And the day that I arrived in Singapore, so that time I had already been 4 months into the classes. I got COVID-19 right at the airport. I spent my first 10 days here in quarantine, completely alone in a new country. But that's also when I truly experienced SIM's true spirit. They sent me a proper guide on next steps and also checked in me throughout my quarantine period. My friends dropped off fruits and medicines, and my club director, who barely even knew me then, she sent me donuts with a little note, and these little experiences made SIM feel like home. So student life at SIM has been rather fulfilling, and this is honestly where I found my place here. I was involved in SIM Economic Society, Young Entrepreneur Network, Investment and Networking Club, and also served as a student ambassador. As a student ambassador, I was featured on the ambassador platform to speak with prospective students. And I also conducted campus tours and mentored international students. Over time, I started feeling more confident, more connected, and more like I belonged here. So one of my most significant achievements would be founding and growing the Palan Foundation. So 4 years ago, I founded this non-profit organization in New Delhi, and we have executed over 33 projects till date. Two of the most closest projects to my heart would be the project Gift of Education. So this actually aims at bridging the resource gap for the educational materials by connecting gently used stationery and books with those students who are in need in Delhi. And we also have tutoring programs where we go to slum study centers and teach students over there. Project Red is another one of our proudest achievements. There's a statistic that 1 in 5 girls drop out of school due to a lack of menstrual awareness and resources in India. We organize awareness sessions there, demystify menstruation, and also educate young girls on female hygiene. And we have donated over 1,000 period products till date. And honestly, this project is more about changing mindsets and paving the way for a future where no girl has to choose between her health and her education. Volunteering actually teaches me patience, compassion, and also the importance of human connection, humbles me and shows me how privileged I am in ways that I often overlook. So more than just giving back, I like volunteering because it makes me a more grateful person. One of the biggest ways I've grown is in how I think and solve problems. At SIM UOL, it wasn't just about memorizing the facts. It was about understanding ideas and thinking more critically and learning how to build your own point of view. So that way of thinking just stayed with me even after graduation. Now at my work, I try not just to follow instructions, but I also think about how I can improve things and processes. Currently, I'm working as a sustainability consultant at Sustainable Living Lab in Singapore. As an international student, getting that first job is not easy because there's always this added challenge of visa sponsorship. And after months of not getting any responses, I reached out to SIM for support, and their Career Connect team helped me rework my resume to make it more ATS friendly. They coached me on how to present myself to employers through mock interviews as well. Thanks to them, I ended up getting 2 job offers here, and it wouldn't have been possible without their support. My motto is keep going. Everything you are doing will add up. Just get involved from day one, attend events, join clubs, participate in competitions, and don't be afraid to speak to new people. Some of my most valuable connections and experiences came from simply showing up. SIM gives you the platform, but it's up to you to make the most of it.